So things are done. I mean, I tell you that you can actually take the pomegranate seeds out from the whole fruit. Here just a single part is left. Let me tell you once again. Tear it up, it's very soft. You just need to use your knife in the very beginning. Do it with your hands, very softly, very gently. Take all the red seeds out. Here it goes. And you need to take the red seeds here. You need not to have the white part which looks like this. There would be everywhere in the whole pomegranate. So take the pomegranate things, the white part which is actually called the mask or the fruit which is like grown on. You can take it out because it is more of a part of a fruit only, but it's not an eatable. Take it out. Further help with your own fingers and take the things out.